Today we're unboxing something truly extraordinary, the rarest Richard Mille RM67 Italy edition. And trust me, this isn't just a watch. It's a masterpiece. Priced at around $300,000, this ultra-lightweight timepiece is not just rare, it's a celebration of cutting-edge engineering, national pride, and pure wristwear luxury. From the moment you lay eyes on the box, you can feel the exclusivity. The sleek, high-end packaging sets the tone for what's inside a watch designed for elite athletes, made with materials so advanced you'll think it's from the future. As the lid opens, you're immediately hit with the striking red, white, and green of the Italian flag, a bold tribute to Italian sprint legend Filippo Tortu, the inspiration behind this stunning edition. The case is crafted from ultralight quartz TPT and carbon TPT, giving it a weightless feel that almost disappears on the wrist, yet it packs a powerful visual punch. The skeletonized dial reveals the RM67's high-tech movement, the in-house RMA7 caliber made from grade 5 titanium, offering insane durability with unbelievable lightness. Every curve, every edge, every detail has been engineered to perfection. This isn't just about aesthetics. This watch was built for performance. The elastic comfort strap is one of the lightest in the world and molds to your wrist like a second skin, making it ideal for high-intensity athletes and watch lovers who demand comfort without compromise. It's so feather-light that you'll literally forget you're even wearing it until someone stops you to ask what's on your wrist. Only a handful of these watches exist in the world, and seeing one in person, let alone unboxing it, is a surreal experience. It's not just a watch, it's a statement. A blend of Swiss precision, Italian passion, and futuristic technology wrapped into one jaw-dropping creation. If you're a watch collector, a Richard Mille fan, or just someone who appreciates the very best of the best, this is what dreams are made of. This is the RM67 Italy edition. And yes, it's every bit as incredible as it looks.